Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm willing to show you how you can grow your email list for free with Depicter Popup, so stick around. The first thing that you have to do is install Depicter. So in WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, add new plugin, and search Popup in the search bar. There's Depicter, install and activate it. Here you can see the Depicter dashboard. Click on Popup from up here and choose the Grow Email List subcategory. Choose a free pop-up and import it. When I click on the Sign Up button, you can see in action Go to Next Step, which was added to it. And the next step is this one over here. This is our email field, which is totally free, and you can use it to create your own pop-up to grow email list, along with other fields like name, the submit button, and the form message. By using this coupon code, you can use the other Pro form fields without spending a dime. Claim it before someone else does, and don't forget to let everyone know in the comments. Otherwise, the product will be removed from your account. Back to business. Let's customize, starting from the background color on both steps. Now it's time to change this burger photo. I'm replacing it with this one. Change the color of all the texts and of this sign up field. Change the color and the hover color of this close button. And we're done customizing the first step. Do the same on the other step as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. When done customizing, head to Publish. Click on Publish Now and open Display Rules. Go to Triggers, enable the Spend Time on Page and set the duration. 4 seconds will do for me. Great, we're done here. Hit Publish Now and let's check out the results. And there you have it. The pop-up appeared right on time and it truly looks good. Let's test it. When you click on the Sign Up button, you're taken to the next step. I'm entering 2 emails as an example and click on Sign Up. Let's head back to Depicter dashboard. In Leads, you can see the emails that I just entered right here. You can view more details, plus you can download them as a CSV as well. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Ciao!